welcome to the February Newscast.
We are the biggest birds.
Now on to Jarrett with conference band.
Clark County had 16 all-conference band members, including Abby Plinge, Zayden Halbert, Sydney Brandon, Maggie Weaver, Bree Plinge, Nevada Wood, Catherine Marshall, Catherine Smits, Natalie Davidson, Clayton Hines, Megan Walker, Chris Williams, Ashton Ebeling, Quentin Roach, Lathan McAfee, and Avery Smith. Now on to Brian James with track.
Track started February 27th. Here are some of the upcoming events for track. Pause to read. Now on to baseball with Delaney.
Baseball started February 27th, and here is the schedule. Pause to read. Now on to FBLA State.
We had 20 people qualify for state FBLA. Those people are Clint Shamley, Cody Shannon, Garrett Billings, Luke Plinge, Campbell James, Chris Williams, Ava McKay, Don Rockelman, Aaliyah Edmondson, Annalise Smith, Sydney Brandon, Madison Morgan, Katie Ayer, Sophia Veloso, Emery Goings, Jocelyn Ringer, Izzy Brotherton, Hayden West, Tristan Pitford, and Carson Kirchner. State is on April 16th through the 18th. Now on to Brian, who's interviewing a state FBLA member.
All right, I'm here with Garrett Billings, who qualified for FBLA State. So, Garrett, what does FBLA stand for?
Future Business Leaders of America. And it's all about preparing yourself for the business industry after high school.
So, for the people that don't know, how do you qualify for FBLA State?
So there's two ways you can go and take a test. We take our test in the library here at the school before you. There's a lot of different options and tests you can take. Or you can go at districts and compete in an in-person event against other contestants.
So kind of building off of that, what did you qualify for state?
So I took two tests and qualified for agribusiness and economics. And I also did an in-person event with Clint Shamley, Introduction to Social Media Strategies.
Thank you for your time. On to the next segment.
The girls basketball team went 0 for 6 in February with a loss to Brookfield, Highland, South Shelby, Macon, Centralia, and then again Highland in the first round of districts. They finished their season with a 3-22 record.
Congrats to the conference players. We had Hope Ross on the second team. Now on to boys basketball.
Boys basketball finished with an 8-16 record overall, with a 2-4 record in February, wins over Brookfield and Highland, and they got losses to South Shelby, Macon, Centralia, and then the district. Very first game, they got knocked out to Monroe City with a score of 46-48. Very hard-fought game.
Congratulations to everybody who made all conference. Carter Briscoe, second team, and me, honorable mention.
Now onto the fun segment. As some of you know, we played Seth's Posse in basketball and football, so this time we kind of changed it up and did flasketball, a combination of basketball and football. You have a football, you try to get in the basketball net. We went 1s and 2s, first to 5, win by 2.
Now on to the next segment.
Props to Seth's Posse for getting a win 6-4. Thanks for watching the February newscast.
Tune in to next month's newscast.